Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook prawns fried rice. It's very simple and easy to prepare a meal for yourself, just for one serving. So I have about 1.5 cup of rice, 3 tablespoons of frozen mixed vegetable, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, 1 stalk of spring onion for garnishing, 1 egg, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 2 large prawns I have cut and cleaned, and this is the prawn flavor extracted from prawn head. So if you know that when we clean the prawns, on top of between the head and the body there is some yellowish color like an egg like that. So I have extracted it to cook with the fried rice. With this one we will have a very rich flavor of the prawns. All the ingredients is prepared. I like to start off with marinating the prawns with salt first. I'm just going to put just a pinch on the egg, and the rest of it I'm going to put it on the prawns and just marinate it. So this prawns is quite big, so I'm just using 2, but if you have a smaller pieces you may want to use a few more. So prawns is marinated. Now we can go and cook it. Heat the pan, and I'm going to put in about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. When oil is getting hot, I'm going to put in the prawns. Prawns will cook very quick. We don't want to overcook the prawns or else the texture will not be nice. Once it changes the color, it should be okay already. See? Alright, prawns is cooked. You see all the color change. And I'm going to take it out and put it in the bowl first. Now we're going to put in the egg. Just cook like that. Alright, once egg is cooked, I'm going to switch off the heat first, and we're going to put it in another bowl. Put it aside. This time I'm going to put in a little bit of oil, and we're going to put in the vegetable. Just cook it for about 1 minute. Alright, it's 1 minute, so now I'm going to switch off the heat again and take it out from the pan as well. So for the vegetable, I'm going to put it together with eggs. And I'm going to heat the pan again. Put in just a little bit of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to put in the prawn flavor. So now the prawn flavor is mixed well with oil, and now we're going to put in the rice. So I'm going to lower the heat first. Put in light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and half of the garlic. So I'm going to raise the temperature again, and now we're going to mix all this. Alright, all the rice and the ingredients are well combined. Now I'm going to put in the egg and vegetable. If there is a liquid, don't put it in because it might cause the rice to be too salty. So alright, mix the egg and vegetable. It is done, and now I can give it a taste. Wow, delicious. Very rich flavor of the prawns. So at this stage, if you want to add any more seasoning like salt or oyster sauce, you can do so, but for this is enough taste and enough flavor. I'm going to switch off the heat and put in the spring onions. Just give it a mix, and that is done for the prawns fried rice. See See that we have the prawns here. Some crispy fried garlic. Some more spring onions. Prawns fried rice is ready to be served. Just take a bit of prawns. Wow, the fried rice is delicious. It's rich with the prawns flavor. It's enough taste, enough flavor, and for the prawns, it's just very fresh and it cooked just perfectly, so it's very tender. Eat together with the fried rice, really good. I give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple cooking like this. Thank you and bye bye.